Hello everyone and welcome to our Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. Today's videos is about why Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy might not be the right fit for beginners. But first, let's talk about sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you're looking for a career in the beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietetics etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do a job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietetics in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. In this video, we are going to uncover why Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy might not be the perfect fit for those who are starting their makeup journey. Whether you are an experienced makeup artist or just starting your journey, this video will give you the inside scoop on finding the perfect makeup education for you. In this video, we will clear up and puzzle out the intricacies of the esteemed academy that claims to be the perfect one in the world of makeup. From the intricate techniques to placement structure, we will delve into the factors that might pose challenges for fresh-faced enthusiasts seeking a solid foundation in makeup artistry. So first, let's examine the Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy. Sheena Makeover Academy is located in Paschim Vihar, Delhi. Sheena Kaur did her graduation in professional makeup, and because of her passion towards makeup, she opened an academy named Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy. This academy has highly educated trainers and the training quality is amazing. Also, Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy is the best option for makeup course. Now that you have got the gist about Sheena and Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy, let's take a look at the courses that they offer. First, 28 days makeup course, that is 60,000. Second, 7-day basic to advanced makeup course, that is 25,000 rupees. And the last one day masterclass, that is 2,999 rupees. If we talk about the fee structure of Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy, if you enroll in this academy, then there are 28 days makeup course that will cost you 60,000 rupees. 7-day basic to advanced makeup course which will cost you 25,000 rupees, and the last 1-day course masterclass is of rupees 2,999. That was the overview on the courses that Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy offers. Now let's talk about the most important thing, and the reason why you are watching this video is to tell you why Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy is not beneficial for beginners in the makeup industry. First point, we have they allot 30 to 35 students in a batch, which is not a good thing, as students have to sit in a cramped classes where trainers can't focus on students while training and students don't get the proper training. Second point is the duration of the courses is very short compared to the fees of the courses. Third, this academy only offers makeup courses. They don't offer variety in the courses as people cannot learn different techniques at the same time. Fourth, Sheena Kaur don't give training to the students, not even demo classes. Only trainers give training to the students. Fifth, they do not provide internships to students whatsoever. Sixth, and the job opportunity is also zero. They just give students training and leave them empty-handed. Students have to find jobs on their own, and students find it difficult to find jobs on their own. And the seventh point is, as we know that Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy is a reputed academy, but this academy is not recognized by the Indian government. They provide a self-certificate which has no value in the market. If you did any course from this academy and want to open a salon, then no bank will give you a loan. So far I have told you almost everything about Sheena Kaur Makeover Academy. So now it's time to tell you about few other top Delhi NCR academies from where you may choose a highly professional makeup training. First, we have Meri Bindi International Academy. Meri Bindya International Academy is one of the best beauty academies in India. Meri Bindya International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving a job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Meri Bindya International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. This academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, Meri Bindya International Academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Export. This academy has two branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Meri Bindya International Academy for training in the advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. The Masters in Cosmetology course and the Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetology course at Meri Bindya International Academy are recognized as the best cosmetology course in India. Meri Bindya International Academy provides world-class education to the students. This academy provides internships/jobs to all the graduate. Big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in jobs to the certified students of Meri Bindya International Academy. Second academy we have is Sanya and Shifa Makeup Academy. This academy comes in the top second for makeup courses. Apart from makeup, you can do many other courses from here. If you do a makeup course from here, its fee is around rupees 90,000 and the duration of this course is 2 months. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. And the third we have the Red Fox Makeup Academy. This academy comes in the top third position for makeup courses. From here you can do many courses related to makeup. If you do a makeup course from here, then its fee is around rupees 86,000 and the duration of this course is 2 months. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. If you know about any course of any academy, then please review us in the comment section. We will show your review in the next video, which will help other students to navigate their path into the beauty industry. So friends, if you want to do a professional makeup and beauty course, then visit your preferred academy today and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call the number given on the screen. Also, if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment, and if you like our video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Thank you.